lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I am very excited to be back with another Spooky Box Club unboxing. I haven't even checked yet what the themes are. Before I do, I just wanted to say really quickly, a few people have asked if I'm going to make a video about what happened last weekend. Last weekend as I'm recording this, I don't know as I upload it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then it's like people on Instagram saw. I've recorded one. I don't know if I'm going to post it just because it is like a bit of a sensitive topic, but maybe. I just, Anyway, I am much more excited for this right now. So our themes are, I put them the right way up and everything. So we have box 92, which is Cryptid Cuties, and we have box 93, which is Dollhouse, and I am quite excited about both of those. So Cryptid Cuties is first. Neither of these boxes is particularly heavy. I have no clues as to what's going on. Let's have a little peek. So we have this, we're putting this away for the moment, somewhere. Oh, threw it accidentally. Okay. Ooh, alright. So I'm gonna go for this box first, I think. I can see a few other things that are like catching my eye in there, but this is the biggest mystery right now. I'm assuming some, yes, it is a cup. I love these cups. I have like a few of these from Spooky Box Club, and they're just like, they're really good for like cup of soup. I don't know what it is, but they're like the best cup of soup mugs, and I really love them, so I'm excited about this. Let's see. Ooh! Oh, so I do know all but one of these cryptids, but I don't know all their names. So I think these are the something night crawlers, right? I've seen this before, but I forget the name. I think, judging by what I can see on my monitor, there's some aliens maybe. We've got Bigfoot. I don't know what these are, but that's so cute. And it's like a little one of these. And yeah, I don't know. I love these for my soup. I don't know why. I don't know if you can hear that noise, but that means my electric is running low and I need to top it up. I'm still sick, or should I say sick again? I don't even know at this point. I feel like being in the hospital multiple times probably hasn't helped. I'm sure I've picked up all sorts of germs in there, but ugh. Next up we have the candy, and it is a Minions Tropical Fizz Chew Bar with a fizzy sherbet center. I'm not a huge fan of chew bars, but I do like tropical flavored things. Okay, what do I want to go for next? There's two pins in here and they're both face down, so I can't see what they are, but I think I want to go for this first. It looks like some sort of little like flag thing, which I have a few of from Spooky Box Club, and I have them kind of dotted around in here. I really enjoy them. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, what do you call these? Jackalopes! So this is gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. Look at it! That is so nice. I didn't see his little horns at first. I thought it was just a rabbit, and I was like, what's cryptid about that? But it has little horns and all the ferns and the little skull. That is so nice. I'll have to find somewhere to put that up in here. I do need to decorate in here more. I just, ever since the whole thing with like my rent has happened, I feel really demotivated to work on this place, because I'm like, I'm probably not going to be here that long now, so I'm like kind of in limbo. I'm not really sure what I want to do, but I really should just make the most of it while I'm here. I don't know. But I definitely want to put this up at least. Next up is some sort of fabric thing. I don't know if it's like a wall hanging. And it looks like it is covered in different cryptids. Oh, and I think it has their names. Hang on. Ooh. So I don't know if this is a bandana or a wall hanging. I guess you could use it wherever the hell you want. But here we go. All the cryptids. So who have we got? Jersey Devil, Mongolian Deathworm, Flatwoods Monster, that's what that one's called. Fresno Nightcrawlers, that's... Is that thunder? Got the spoopy atmosphere for the cryptid box. We've got Mothman, of course. Loveland Frogman, I've never heard of him. The Dover Demon, I don't recognize that. Goatman, I don't know about Goatman. I am not caught up on my cryptids. Sasquatch, of course. Grey aliens, yep. The Rake is on here. The Kraken, a generic sea serpent, and the Hopkins Goblin. That's what that other thing on the cup was that I didn't recognize. So yeah, there's a few on here that I don't know about. Very good. Is the Rake a cryptid? I thought he was just a creepypasta. But then again, is that just the modern version of a cryptid? We have some stickers. They're like little alien themed ones. I don't know if I really count aliens as cryptids. I don't know why. Woo! Oh, well, they're gone. You saw them anyway. I don't know. I've never really counted them, but I guess. But those are cute. They're very pastel. And then... Oh! Oh, cute. Okay, so we have 2 pins. We have this lovely Mothman, and then we have one that says I can never say this word, Harbinger of Doom. Yeah, those are really cute. I just want to wear this one all the time. So that is that for the box. Where did the... Okay, so we got the Urban Legends enamel mug, yes. The Leaping Jackalope pennant, yes. Mothman enamel pin, Harbinger of Doom, heart enamel pin, why can't I say that? Cryptid Cuties bandana, yes. Holographic Close Encounters glitzy sticker set, yes. And the candy of the month, yes. So I feel like there wasn't a huge amount in that box, but it was pretty cute. And definitely, if you're someone who's really into cryptids, very fun. I feel like I'm like medium into cryptids. I have an interest, but I'm not like super into them the way I know like some of my friends would be, but I do enjoy them. Okay, let's go on to Dollhouse. Very excited to see what's in here. Okay, so putting this to the side for the moment. And ooh, the candy of the month. Vegan peach rings. I fucking love peach rings. I haven't had them in years. Is this the first time I've actually eaten the Spooky Box candy in a video? So good. Very chewy, this is a mistake. Okay, more of those later. I was like trying to chew it as fast as possible so I can go on with the video. Ooh! These pins are cute. Let me get them out of the plastic so it's not all reflect. Oh no, they're not even pins, they're earrings! Ah! Oh fuck! Look! Oh my god, those are so cool. I love those. Little like stuffed bear and bunny rabbit all creepy with the deathly stares. Love that. Oh, that's really cute as well. I feel like this will be my favorite out of the 2 boxes, just going by what's in here so far. I've got like a really cute simple little black necklace and it says Crybaby in pink with little sparkles. And I am unfortunately a massive crybaby, as we all know by this point, so that's perfect. I love that, that's so cute. I just saw the little sticker that says what something is. I know it's not yet, not yet. We're going for this first. What is this? What is this? Is this a keychain? Oh my god, everything in everything in here is so cute. Okay. Okay. Look, it's like a little haunted dollhouse like keychain or something. Or it could be like a bag charm and there's little ghosties in all the windows. That's so cute. I really love this. There's like a specific bag that I haven't been able to find in so long and I bet it's in a box somewhere if it's not just lost entirely. And I love putting charms on it and I don't know where it is to put this on it. I love this box. So we have Little Miss Muffet spider collar pins. So you can like attach them to like a shirt collar, or you could use this to like keep a cardigan closed. What does it say? Securely hold draped cardigans or shawls to your shoulders, add a vintage decorative flair to plain shirt collars, jumpers and necklines. Spooky, fun and practical. I love it. And one spider has a little star and the other spider has a little moon. It's so cute. I love these. Oh my god. So this is what I saw. Ooh, what is that? This is what I saw the name of that I'm like, oh yes, creepy morning detachable dress collar. Oh, it's cute. It's like a little frilly frickin'... Oh, and I have a dress that this would be really nice for as well. That's so cute. And it doesn't like need to attach in a specific way. You can just like tie it around like this. It doesn't go with today's vibe, so I'm not going to put it on. But that is so cute. I love that. That is very practical for me. Oh, that's so nice. And it feels quite nice as well. I love that you can just put it on like anything. Okay, and the last thing... so this is what I'm seeing. I haven't seen what the other side is yet. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. So instead of just like a little paper art print, it's like an acrylic art piece like hung on a little ribbon. That would be really cute in here actually, and it is like a little like creepy doll lady. That's so nice. Haha. That's really cool actually. I like that. I think better than just like the little prints, especially because I don't have to find a frame for it. I can just hang on something. I'm a lazy girl, okay? So that's really cool. Oh, I love that. Okay. So we got the creepy morning detachable collar, yes. The possessed teddy bear and bunny earrings, yes. Little Miss Muffet spider collar pins, yes. Sweet Dreams dolly wall plaque, yep. Crybaby necklace, yes. Haunted doll's house bag charm, yes. And the Spooky Box candy of the month. Yes, peach rings, delicious. Yeah, okay, so that was box 93. Oh my god, we're getting close to box 100. Getting close to box 100, and I'm very excited about it. I would seem much more excited if I wasn't sick. Yeah, so I was saying at the start, like, I don't know if I'm gonna upload the video. It's just that I don't want to be flooded with unsolicited advice. That is, and like I said, I say about that in the video that I recorded, and you know, I said there and I will say here again that it's just, I get that people just want to help and I appreciate that, but when you're getting like hundreds and hundreds of comments of people giving unsolicited advice and often the wrong advice, and you know it's the wrong advice but they don't know it's the wrong advice, it just gets a little bit overwhelming, and with something that is a bit sensitive, it's just the thought of it is kind of a lot, so I will see. I'm sorry if you have no idea what I'm talking about. This is why you should be following me on Instagram, because people on Instagram know everything. Okay, so I am going on an adventure today. My friends and I are going for a big drive up north to some cool like hidden abandoned village or something, so I'm very excited for that. Although it was just pouring it down and there was thunder, so I'm wearing a lot of it. I was like joking, like we're talking about thunder and lightning, a few people are like, oh maybe we shouldn't go, and I was like, honestly, like getting struck by lightning isn't something I'm that worried about, and then I was like, actually, with my luck recently, maybe just no one go near me. Maybe everyone just keep their distance from me, because that would track. That would be on brand for me, quite frankly. What, you know, Misery from Ruby Gloom, and just like terrible things happen to her constantly, and she's just like, that's okay, while crying. That is me at this point. Like, it has gotten ridiculous. I'm like, who did I wrong in another life? But it's okay because I am still going. Little bolt of lightning can't stop me. I should stop joking, it's gonna happen. Alright, I'm gonna be joking about it. I'm gonna get hit by lightning. Okay, so I am off to do that, I guess. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies!